Hi there. I want to show you where I've got to with my arcade control project. The idea behind this is you wire in your arcade joystick and push button to these terminal blocks, and this board translates the button presses into USB HID scan codes. So with this board, I've got an 1890 USB 1287 on it. It does all of the heavy lifting as the USB interface and a bunch of GPIOs, and I've also got a nice little LED display board. So right now, let's put this into bootloader mode. So we can tell it's in bootloader mode when we get 3 flashes of the red LED, or 4 flashes, I guess, in this case. And I'm going to program it up right now. Okay, code's going on. Okay, it has its mind. So this bottom terminal block here is ground, and the rest of the GPIOs are held high with an internal pull-up resistor on the AVR. So when we make contacts on the terminal block, you can see the display is updated with the last terminal block position that has changed state. So since they're active high, the 1 on the right indicates that it's a logic 1. If I hold the wire down, you can see it says 1U0, that's player 1 up on the joystick, and the logic value 0. I'll let go, it's set to 1. Now if I push on the joystick down here, that shows us what the scan code is that it's sending, and right now that's sending a scan code 2. So similarly, this joystick adjusts the most recently pressed input. So here that's player 1 right, that's sending scan code 20. Now if we want to adjust this, we can use the joystick to change the value. So I'm just going to bump it up here. Okay, that says 2F. Push it right, that saves the value. So player 1 right, 2F, and that's been written into E squared. So if I pull the power and plug it back in, we should see that same value on that pin. Player 1 right, 2F. There we go. So this is nice because you can configure this little board without having it plugged into a PC. So if it's in your arcade cabinet and you don't like the scan codes that are being sent, you could just adjust it on the fly. That's it for now. I hope you found this moderately entertaining. Talk to you soon.